Hey guys, Dean here. It's a brand new month. July has just begun, which means we're here for a brand new list of 5 different dropshipping products that you should be selling right now, be it on TikTok organic or on paid ads on Facebook or TikTok. So let's jump into the list. So the first product we've got on today's list is this portable mini speaker. So here's the AliExpress website page for this, just so you can take a look at it. Basically, this is a lightweight and small product, which means it's going to be easy to ship. Now, there's a really good viral factor here, which is really great for a high chance of virality on TikTok. This is a very cool product. It's fast to charge, it's made from durable material, and it's a really cool portable product. So I'm just going to show you a few pictures and some video, and then I'll show you the ad in a moment. This uses wireless technology, and you can basically put it on a surface, and then it'll create like a vibrating sound effect, kind of like a hummingbird sound effect, and it has a few different modes, which means it's multifunctional. Okay, it has a few different effects, and it also has a standard mode, and it uses different sounds based on the surface you actually put this mini speaker on. So it uses something called bone conduction technology. I don't really know the technology around that, but you can see different surface, different sounds. So you can place this on wood and the bass deepens the natural sound. You can place this thing on metal and you can get like more of a home theater experience vibe. So you can use this everywhere. It comes in 3 different colors. We have a silver color, a black color, and then we have a red color, which looks really cool. This kind of like a bright reddy color. And this is a really cool product, which I think would be really successful on TikTok organic. And because of this, let me show you an example of a TikTok. So this is clearly like a homemade TikTok organic video that some guys made, and they've done it in school, so it's going to appeal to kind of like a young audience. So what he does is he brings this portable speaker and he says, confuse the school, right? He places this like right next to the door and then turns on and he plays music and it's like vibrating through the walls while people are in class, which is kind of like a funny kind of like prank. So this has a ton of views. If we just take a look, it's got 2.2 million likes. I don't know how many plays it's got, but you can see that many likes means that it must have an absolute ton of plays because it's got millions of likes. They also have a website, so it's called the Wow Speaker, because I want to give you guys an example of a few different stores selling these products in this video. So this is the Wow Speaker. So this is an example of a store. Really basic theme here, nothing special. The website design is never anything too crazy, but you can see they're selling this at £27.95 and the product is about £9 to actually buy, so they've got a bit of a higher margin there. So that's 9, 18, 27. So they do have like that 3 times markup, which I usually typically recommend, so you can get some higher margins on this. I guess the wow factor and the virality chance of this product means that you can actually charge for a premium, but you'll just have to trial it and sell it and see how it goes. They also use the Luke's photo reviews plugins. They've got some really nice reviews down here. I found that these kind of websites look kind of nice, bright blues in your face, vibrant colors, just like YouTube thumbnails. That's what I'd recommend designing your store as. So the next product is another really unique one, which I really liked when I was doing product research, and this is a car speed projector. So this is kind of a cool product which appealed to me, and as you can see, it shows like a digital projector, like a speedometer that they can see in the car. So it has a good wow factor, right? Obviously people have this anyway on the car, but they can see it on the dash mirror now, so they can see it like on the front windscreen. So it kind of projects the speed on there, so they don't have to keep looking at the heads-up display on the car. So it's kind of cool. It's an unseen / unique product, and it's multifunctional. So the switch allows you to check the vehicle speed, the water temperature, the voltage, and the single mileage of the car. So we have a few different modes here, and it comes with a HUD as well. So it has integrated shading design, and it covers the screen light, and it's not dazzling at night when driving, which is important for other road users. So it is a safe product, has a high degree of visibility and a large font for HD display. I just think this is a pretty cool product. It's quite small, it's easy to fit, but you do have to actually install it into your car, and it will show you in the video that I'm going to show you in a moment how to do that. So it's £12 to buy this product, and it's just pretty good as a TikTok organic product in my opinion. I think you can be really creative with like the ad creatives for this. So I'm just going to show you the TikTok to give you a good idea of what the product is and how to actually install it. So you can see this lady has just fitted it into the car, and this is what it's like. So it's going to be reflected onto the car mirror. Okay, so it kind of projects it, and then it reflects into the glass, and you have to plug it in, put it on the actual dash, and then fit it underneath the car. Now their website is called the Speedstat, which I really like the name. They've been quite creative. Now from the product price of £12, if we just convert that, that's $15. So you're buying it at $15 and then you're selling it at $32.99. So you're selling it for 2 times. So the markup's not crazy high, it's only a 2 times markup. So I'd recommend using organic for this, because with ads you would want at least a 3 to 5 times markup for a profit. So this is good for TikTok organic. organic, or if you just want to post social media videos. This is an idea of the website. They've got some pretty attractive GIFs down here of how it's actually used and how it's installed. A product like this, where it's kind of technically a bit more advanced, you definitely want to have like basically like a tutorial of sorts on your website, how to fit it and how it works, and you want that social proofing because it's kind of a little bit more complex. But you can do this through GIFs, you can do this through like a guide on your website to show the product in use, how it's fitted, and how people actually get it working. Next up is another really cool lightweight small product, just like the speaker that inspired me when I was looking at these products, and I thought why not fit another one which is really small and powerful on here too, and that's this mini TV projector. So this is a small and portable device. As you can see in this lady's palm of hand, you can see just how small this thing is, and it's usable everywhere. We can use it on a wired screen. It has a built-in stereo speaker. You can see it's portable and it uses a 5-volt 2-amp battery. As you can see, this is just the beginning. This is a really cool product. It's just small. It's got an ergonomic design. You can see all of the product specifications on here, and you can also plug in a power bank into it or a phone charger power supply to actually charge this thing up, as long as it has the right battery type. So this has multi-device compatibility. We can connect external headphones or stereo, or use the built-in speaker for this projector, and you can hook it up to mobile phone devices or TVs, and it has a long service life, and it has eye protection, okay? So it's not going to hurt people's eyes when they put it in the room. This is a video of it. So if you don't have a TV in your room, you can basically use this to project an image onto your screen. If you've got a nearby media outlet to project something from, and then you can like play anime on your wall, and obviously if you couple it with LED lights, your room can look incredible. So this is the kind of marketing you want to have when you have an organic video about this product. If that's the avenue you're going down, you want to kind of sell that image of having like a really cool relaxed vibe room, or maybe like a cool space that you can hang out with your friends or partner in. So those are the kind of things you want to think about when trying to sell this product. So this is the store. This is the High Peak mini projector. So obviously your brand name and then just mini projector. This is a little bit different though to the products I've showed you, because certain products are going to be exclusive to certain suppliers. Some of them are going to be a little bit different. Some of the ones you find on AliExpress are going to look a little bit different to the ones you find on social media. But when they do kind of the same thing, you can sell a product which looks different, but it has the same purpose, right? So I wouldn't recommend having these like mini games on your website. I think they just distract the customer. But their website's basic. Yet again, a really basic theme. They have a few different colors, so you can sell a few different variants, and they have a lot of pictures. With this product, it's all about selling it visually. So I'd recommend taking a lot of good pictures of it in use. I'd recommend actually ordering this product first to actually test out, to actually show it in effect, because things like this, you kind of need to sell the experience. So you need to get it to record the TikToks, or if you're using ads, at least take some HD photos and show what it's like to actually have it on the wall. Something like this, I think this picture is actually edited. This is like a stock photo of like someone's family, and then they've just put it on the wall. So you can do it like that and edit it in Photoshop, but it works much better if you take them organically. Okay, so I'd recommend ordering this product. You can also show some really attractive looking GIFs, put some TikToks or social media videos embedded on the site too. That would particularly work, I think, in this circumstance. So you're kind of getting a theme here that's consistent throughout this month's video, right? I'm showing you a lot of small, lightweight, portable, easy to ship products, because obviously that's the best thing for dropshipping. Now, here's another one which is very similar to our speaker and our projector. This is a small magnetic security camera, and this thing's cool. It's kind of like those old spy devices and spy pens that you used to buy like in the early 2000s. Super cool product. Yet again, small and easy to ship. This is going to use Wi-Fi from this device itself to your mobile phone or digital device to actually give you the feed to. Okay, so it has night vision, it has a magnetic design, so it's going to stick to anything that's metallic, and it's very subtle for its purpose, because obviously this is a security camera, so it's got to be really low key, right, to record people, and also so people can't find it and easily remove it if they're on a property or if they break into your house. So this is a really cool, strong product in my opinion. It's 1080p, uses Wi-Fi, has multi-platform support, motion detection, a built-in magnet, night vision, and a wide-angle lens. Okay, so we can get more vision wherever it's set, so you can get a bigger shot of your room so you can see more things, right? And it just hooks up to your phone. So you can buy these off Amazon. They're kind of common. It's not like a really rare product, but the fact that it's so small and it looks like some kind of James Bond gadget is what you're going to be able to use to sell it, okay? Because it's just a cool gadget. Because of that, it's really cheap. It's only £5 to buy. So if you get one of the cheap ones, it's £5, and you just hook up a micro SD inside the device if you want to actually record onto memory. So it also has that support too. It has different modes and you can turn it on and off, and you can just stick it magnetically to a surface. So I think this product is actually super cool. So here's a Facebook video I found of this product advertising it. As you can see, they've marketed it that is great to use as like a baby cam if you have like a new kid, or to watch your pets to make sure they're safe, or when you're on holiday, or to make sure someone looking after them is looking after them properly. We can also use them to like look after some pets and keep your family safe, and it's kind of showing it in effect. You hook it up via like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and then you can see it as a security feed on your phone. And I guess you could probably hook up multiple of these, like a lot of the Wi-Fi security systems out there, and have multiple feeds in different locations or in different rooms. So this is a really cool product. Now, this is being sold on a general store. So this website's called Easy Cheap Go. So it's your typical general store where they've got a ton of different products, and they've just got two basic colors. So we're just selling this in like black and white. As you can see, the same two colors on the AliExpress page, which I found for you guys. And then obviously the website's just selling it over here. It's £15 they're selling it for, and we're buying it for £5, a markup of 3 times. So you could run ads on this. In fact, because I've shown you a Facebook video, I'd recommend to actually run Facebook ads with this, because it's appealing to kind of like that older demographic that uses Facebook. Middle-aged people are probably going to want security software and security cameras for their business or their property. So that's the kind of demographic you're selling this to. I wouldn't put this on TikTok ads because that's like a younger demographic using the app. I probably recommend to use this for Facebook ads. And our fifth and final product for this month's video for July is this portable cooling fan. So yet again, a small product. Obviously, I didn't want to show you guys huge products. I've shown you some like air coolers before, which are a little bit bigger. So I wanted to keep everything very lightweight, very cheap, very easy to ship in this month's video, so you can test them out with a low budget. So this is a rechargeable mini portable fan. It's perfect because it's summer. It's just coming up to the peak of summer right now. So if you just sell these quickly, you might be able to sell them. This is rechargeable, it's bladeless, it's ultra quiet, it's portable, and it's useful for indoors and outdoors, and they market it for schools and also for on the job. So this is the page. All of them are typically the same, but this is different, right? This isn't a desk one, this is a pocket one to go on the waist. So I'm going to show you the video. This isn't one that like stands up or sits on a desk. This is actually one for the purpose of someone working or carrying it with them. So this is a clip-on, okay? So it's a little bit different here. It's a little bit different to the typical ones which we always see. So this has a different purpose. We can also use it to actually push objects because it's quite powerful. So in this Facebook video, they show you it pushing like a marker pen along the surface, which is really cool. And you can also strap it around your neck. So this is less for the purpose of using it in a room. This is actually to carry on your person. And it also functions as a power bank. So when you've charged it up, you can then use it as an electric outlet. So it's kind of like a multi-purpose device. So it's kind of like an all-in-one electronic system. So it's an air deflector, it works as a fan and a power bank. So it's a multi-purpose 3-in-1 electronic device. And the website is just yet again another general store. With these products which are really generic and multi-purpose, I wouldn't recommend just making like a single product or niche store. I just put them in a big general blanket store, use one of them for Facebook ads, and then just bring all the traffic and sell like random products each month and test them. That's great, and that's why people use general stores. They've only got 2 different colors here, both look pretty cool. And as you can see down here, if we scroll down, they have some pictures rather than GIFs. We have strong airflows, longer working time, superior design, and a wide application. So those are the pros. Then we have specifications. Then we also have the ones I mentioned: rechargeable, bladeless, ultra quiet, portable and handheld, useful for indoors and outdoors. So that's this month's list of the top 5 winning products for July 2023. I hope these products are great for you guys to sell and you reach some success with doing so. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite product and if you had any sales selling them, if you've seen this video a little bit later. And if you want monthly videos on winning products completely free, they're different to all the other YouTubers who are just copy and pasting, then press the like button and subscribe. And if you go in the description below, you can see all the links to these products so you can source them and add them to your store yourself. See you all soon.